Welcome to JH. Lately, a lot of people have been receiving some pretty alarming emails claiming their Webroot antivirus membership is being renewed to the tune of $249.99. Because nothing says premium service, like a surprise $250,000 bill for software you probably haven't thought about in years. To make it even more charming, they include a scary phone number for you to call. If you're wondering whether this is real or just another scam, let me save you the suspense. It's definitely the latter. Webroot has already officially warned customers about these fake emails, stating clearly that they never demand phone calls for renewals or threaten legal action if you dare to speak to your bank. That's a massive red flag right there. Another dead giveaway is the sender's address. These emails often come from random Gmail accounts or even pretend to be sent from your own name. Apparently, the scammers think we'll believe a multi-million-dollar tech company has downgraded to using official_support_123@gmail.com to handle their billing. The content of the email is where the comedy really begins. Most of these scams warn you not to contact your bank, claiming that doing so could result in legal action from the Better Business Bureau. It's a classic scare tactic designed to keep you from checking your actual balance. Those brave enough to call the number are usually asked for credit card details or even remote access to their computer, which is essentially the digital equivalent of handing a masked stranger your house keys and your social security number. So, is this Webroot renewal email legit? Absolutely not. Between the fake addresses, the threatening tone, and the desperate pressure to call a random number, it is 100% a scam. If one of these lands in your inbox, don't call, don't reply, and for the love of all things holy, don't click anything. Just report it as phishing and delete it. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching till the end, and subscribe for more scam alerts and tips.